how your smile light up my way. Even when we argue, my heart never stray. Life threw the punches, but you took the pain. You and me, babe, sunshine and rain.
Me coulda walked, me could've closed the door, but me knew your soul, me couldn't ignore. Even when you're silent, me still feel you near. Me love you still, even through the fear.
Me love you still, after all this time. Even when we drift, you're still on my mind. From the rough roads to the quiet hills, one thing remains. Me love you still. You always believe when me didn't know. How taught me that love more than just vow. My heart humbled, my eyes wide open. Grateful for you, my sacred token.
And my love no fade like fashion trend. You're my beginning, my middle, my end. So if you're wondering how I feel, know this one thing: my love you still.
Me love you still, when seasons change. Through joy, through sorrow, through every range. My soul remember, and my heart refill. Every beat says